Look how nervous he is.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees!
Nice.
Wait!
Wait for it.
Dude, we're so ready.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, totally ready.
Ready?
Oh, Nathan, I love you.
That was awesome.
What a man.
God.
I'm gonna tell you something really weird.
Okay.
I've had this dream before. I'm not lying though. Like, I remember this dream. Like, I remember it. I had it like a year and a half ago. I think I have precognition.